This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry McGinn. The Magnolia model is the largest floor plan in the Courtyard homes at Kings Isle. This spacious 2-halves corner unit has beautiful upgraded neutral 18 by 18 tile on the diagonal, newer appliances and custom hand-painted Venetian plaster backsplash in the kitchen. Master bedroom features cozy carpet, view of the lake and large walk-in closet. Generous guest bedroom with ample closet space. Well maintained, light and bright. Laundry utility room is oversized with plenty of storage. Enjoy the peaceful view of the lake from the screened porch and adjacent patio. Parking space includes carport. Buyer must pay capital contribution, 3 MOs. HOA, due at time of closing. Proof of funds or pre-approval must accompany all offers. For more information, review the details below.